what is your favorite subject? If you know, raise your hands. Yes. Maths. Why maths?
I like solving problems. Once new problems means facing difficulty.
Like it. Sit down. Good. Can you tell me what are your difficult subjects? Yes.
Chemistry.
Chemistry. Why?
Because the reactions are going to be difficult.
Okay. Sit down. So today we are going to see a topic, animal school, from unit number 7. World. The animal school. A fable. Do you know fable? A fable is a story which is told by with the help of animals. So, fable. These are the difficult ones. We'll see this topic with the help of PPT. So, let's see. So, today we are going to see the animal school. Now, for the sake of, for the need of the new generation, animals organize a school. See, animals organize a school, and in the curriculum is subjects. What are the subjects? Running, then climbing, swimming, and flying. These were the 4 subjects. Just like physics, chemistry, maths, biology we have. The same way, running, climbing, swimming, flying were the subjects. And one condition was there, and the condition was that all the animals took all the subjects. Means they don't have the choice. All the subjects they should take. So this was the condition. Now we'll see one by one the animals. First is duck. If you know, raise your hand. Can you tell me in which subject duck was excellent? Last. Correct. Sit down. So in swimming, duck was excellent, but in other activities, running, climbing, flying, he was not excellent. So see what happened. Excellent in swimming but poor in running. So what happened? Had to stay after school and also drop swimming in order to practice running. We had to stop swimming because he has to take practice of running. So what happened? His webbed feet, webbed feet were badly worn and average in running. So this was the condition of the duck. Now see, next is rabbit. Now can you tell me in which subject rabbit would be good or excellent? Yes.
Running.
Correct, sit down. So in running, rabbit was excellent. See what happened with him. Top of the class in running, but poor in swimming. And so he had a nervous breakdown. Nervous breakdown means mentally ill or frustrated. That was the condition of a rabbit. Now next is squirrel. Now can you tell me in which subject squirrel was excellent?
Climbing.
Correct. In climbing, squirrel was excellent. Now see what happened regarding him. Excellent in climbing but frustrated in the flying. He can't fly. So developed a Charlie horse. Now, what is Charlie horse? Charlie horse means pain in the muscle, especially in the leg. So it happened with squirrel because of practice of flying. So this was the condition of squirrel. The next is eagle. Can you tell me in which subject eagle would be good? Last.
Flying.
Flying and
Climbing.
correct. Sit down. So in flying and climbing, eagle was excellent, but it was a problem child. जसं आपल्या वर्गामध्ये आगाऊ विद्यार्थी असतो, like that. Eagle was there. A problem child in the climbing class beat all the others to the top of the tree, but insisted on using his own way. He uses his own way. He doesn't listen to the instructor. So he was a problem child. Now do you know, at the end of the year, this is a eel, fish. He became valedictorian. Valedictorian means topping the class. Now why he became valedictorian? See what is the reason. Eel could swim exceedingly well, also run, climb and fly a little. So became a valedictorian. He can do all the activities and good in one. So became valedictorian. Now out of these there were prairie dogs who didn't admit to the school. See what was the reason? These were the prairie dogs, stayed out of the school. As administration would not add digging and burrowing to the curriculum. As running, climbing, swimming, flying was there, but digging and burrowing was not there, so they stayed out of the school. So what did they do? They apprenticed their children to a badger. Apprenticed. Apprenticed means having the work of apprentices, apprenticeship. So they apprenticed their children to a badger. So this is a badger. Badger. And later on joined the groundhogs. This is groundhogs. And gophers. This is gopher. To start a successful private school. So this is the story here. The story ends here. Now we'll have to tell the moral of the story.